Rolling on oil. Okay, let's take a look at oil. Very simple setups we do in the trading room. J signal, nailed it again this morning. Here we go. Let's get this over. Okay, what did I teach you how to trade this? The 5-minute moving average filter crossed over. We got a 5-minute moving average filter that crossed over. These moving averages, if you look, they're the same as my room. 93.96, 93.96, 93.88, 93.88. There's second target on gold on the J signal, guys. Second target on gold hit. Man, that was beautiful. Another great J signal, second target hit. All right, now what we need to do, guys, here is, hold on one sec. Good job. Okay, so what we need to do, you get a trend change, blue triangle, take the first pullback, like I show you in all the videos we have recorded for J signal. J signal right here, told you on your own ninja charts, there's a bullseye. A bullseye is the blue Fibonacci dots with the yellow dot in the middle. That told you we have divergence on the first pullback. There's your fill. I asked you what your fills were, and you said right around 84 to 86. That was perfect. Your J signal after a bullseye is going to get you right around 6 to 7 ticks from the swing low. So we're long 70 or 86. The first target's going to be your symmetry dots right here. There's your symmetry dots. Bail 50% of your position. If you're doing 4 contracts, you want to sell half. Bring your stop to break even for your rest of your contracts. Your original stop should be 13 tick, hard catastrophic stop. Then after you enter at 70 or 86, you want to place it 3 ticks below the swing low. Just adjust chart trader. So J signal had another beautiful trade. This is a 2 sim Renko. This is the smallest time frame I use. The 2 sim Renko has been on fire. I went through all the trades yesterday on gold for it also. 2 sim Renko with a 5.5 setting. 2 sim Renko with a 5.5 setting. I'll show you the smallest time frame. So you can see what we're doing here is we got the nice little J signal buy right there. There's your blue triangle. I said last night, look for the first pullback on the conference call with the overall dot inside of the fib dot. Your fill was 76. Your stop was only 10 ticks on this trade. 10 ticks. That's it. It's already moved up $300 per one contract. Gerald, go over to gold. Gold's the same way. We had a dynamic trade again on gold. Check this out. Gorgeous. Let me know when you're in gold, Gerald. All right, gold. Here we go. We have the moving average trend filter was up. There it is. Moving average trend filter up. There's my first buy pullback right to the line in the sand. This black line is notorious for getting support and resistance on the first pullback. This last night, I kept educating you guys. That's one of my favorite setups. Trend change with the 5-minute trend filter on the first pullback, bullseye. Beautiful trade. A lot of you guys and gals got long, 83.5. And it goes all the way to 89. 50 tick move. $500 per one contract potential with a what? 11 tick stop. Another 5-to-1 reward to risk. These trades, we try to get $400 to $600 per trade, letting the runner run with an average of $100 risk. $90 to $110 risk should be your average stop on gold and oil, 3 ticks below the swing low if you're entering this correctly. So you see the first set of symmetry, we bail 50% here, 50% of your contracts. Second set, you bail 75% of your contracts. So if you're doing 4 contracts, a great way for money management how to do this. 50% there, you can put the rest of the contracts break even. I said my second target, hold out for it. Sure enough, it hits. There's my second target, 75% off. And now you can let the runner run, go to the third set of symmetry, which is 1290.30. You can put a limit order in, 2 ticks below 1290.30 for your third set. So 1290.10 would be your third target right here on gold. Third target. What you can do though is adjust your stop. Our original stop is a 13 tick stop. No longer maximum stop on oil and gold. But we adjust 3 ticks below the swing low after entry. So after you get in, what you can do is you can start trailing your stop according to the signal line. Trail your stop and keep trailing it. And a good way to do it is you can actually, if you have symmetry holding, if you're getting up here and you want to try to get to your third set, I would not bring it close to the signal line. I would keep it below the symmetry dots in here. In fact, I'd bring it below the symmetry dots like at 86. If you got down here, I'd bump it up right there to your overall trail if you're trying to get to the 90 level. So you can actually trail with the signal line after you get rolling on there if it breaks through that second set of symmetry dots. All right, and that's how we do J signal. The first pullback, same characteristics as oil this morning. You take the first pullback because I'm trying to get that first retracement long. First retracement long, just like I talk about in all the videos we do. And now you're seeing it live action, how it worked great here this morning. Now the beautiful thing about these pullbacks is it coincided with my ATR trade this morning. ATR trade was at 1282. So we had good support at this level also on the room trades. Okay, Gerald, roll over to the room real quick and put on the 5-minute charts on oil. So that's J signal. All right, really good trade this morning already on J signal. Let's go to room trades. If Gerald can focus here on these 2 5-minute charts, when we log in, we only have 2 charts. 2 charts to trade, our 2 trades that trade retracement trades off market profile. Right here, what do we have? We got a runner running right now on J signal right there from the buy. Runner running on J signal. But if you don't have J signal and you're just taking room trades, right? If you're just taking room trades, no. There we go. If you're just taking room trades, the only trade setup you have is a retest of 99. I have a number 1 and a number 3 set up off of market profile. The bottom left is more volume based. This is more price based in the middle. If you look at the bottom left, I got my red dots at 93.99, which is high value area. If you look up here, my price profile is 93.99. So that tells me if I break out of 93.99 and I retest 93.99, that is a number 3 continuation trade. So we got a possible market profile trade coming up on the pullback also. And consequently, on the upper left-hand corner, I got my ATR trade, which are these cyan dots. The first test of them after they go up and get out of balance and retest them, we will look for a 94 confluence buy also. So we have 3 times confluence here at 93.99 on a pullback. Consequently, at the same time, my signal line is at 93.99 over on J signal. So I got 4 times confluence if we pull back to 93.99. I got my J signal 93.99. I got my HVA 93.99. I got my volume profile 93.99. I got my ATR at 94. That's it. Okay.